Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. I am super duper excited for today's project. Yes, this is the desk calendar which I always make for New Year before the January, and this time I have decided to make the calendar itself by handwritten theme. So everything is handmade, including the calendar panels, monthly panels, flowers, base, everything. So you are surely going to enjoy this video. And without any delay, let's start with procedure. Here I am taking white color cardstock to create the base, which measures 30.5 by 20 centimeters, and from left side I have creased on 13 centimeters and 26 centimeters. So just folding these creases and burnishing it very well using bone folder. This cardstock is having 250 GSM thickness. Now I am taking one more cardstock strip which measures 8.5 by 20 centimeters, and I am going to crease it on 4.5 centimeters. Then just sticking this strip with this side. And this is done. Now we need to connect one more strip to complete the stand, which measures 20 by 6 centimeters, and I have just folded this into half. Now I am sticking this strip also to extend our cardstock base like this. Then just fold this and stick it with another side. And the base for the calendar is ready. Very nice and sturdy. Then I am decorating this using pattern paper. So I have already decorated from inside using pattern paper. And now for the front part I am taking gold mirror cardstock first. Then on top of this I am adding this beautiful pattern paper by Dress My Craft. This is from Christmas collection. All the supply links are given in description box. If you want to purchase anything, you can check there. Similarly, I am decorating the back side of the calendar. And to add our monthly panels, I am adding here one pocket on back side of this so that we can store our remaining monthly panels inside this pocket. So I am going to add only current month panel in the front part. Now to start with making the monthly panel, I am taking this white cardstock again, and from left and right sides I am marking on 1 centimeters each. Now rotate the cardstock, and from right side I am marking on 1 centimeters again. Then from this marking I am marking on 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 centimeters. Okay. Now to divide this from top, I am marking on each 1.1 centimeters gap. So we have to actually divide this in 7 equal parts for 7 days of the week. Similarly, I am repeating it in the bottom. Now taking my black color permanent marker and creating nice grid form for our calendar. And the grid is ready. Then I'm going to make here May month panel. So just removing the excess pencil work by erasing it, and then I will start adding numbers inside this. So in the upcoming 2023 year, May month will start with the Monday. So I am just adding all the letters or the numbers from 1 to 31st. Like this. Then to add weekly names, I am going to add 7 circles on top of each row. So here I am taking 0.8 mm circles in red cardstock and sticking it on top of each row. For each month I have used different colors of the circles. And now I am going to add the weekly day's name on top of each circle, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So I will just add the initials of each day. To add these letters, I am using white color gel pen. And now I'm just making one rough line on top of this and writing the name of the month, that is May, using my brush pen. And this is done. Now just to give little more flowery look or to give little more texture to my base, I am here using this beautiful stencil and using the matching archival ink. I am just coloring it. You can also use watercolors, poster colors or any kind of colors to create this kind of texture. You can also paint it according to your choice, and this is done. So similarly, I have prepared all the remaining 11th months, that is January, February, March, April, and this is the May which we have created. Then June, July, August, September, October, November and December, and for each panel I have used different colors. Now taking back my base, and to attach our monthly panel we need some clips. So here I am taking these small wooden clips and I am adding 2 clips in the front part on the right side of the panel. so that we can tuck our monthly panel inside these clips. To stick these clips, I have used B6000 glue. Now allow it to dry. Then I'm starting with making the quilling flowers for the decoration. And for my first flower petal, I am using half strip of red color 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. Similarly, I have created one more teardrop shape. So I'm just joining both the petals together, wrapping it using yellow color 3 mm strip. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So according to that, you have to create your petals if you want to make just like me. So petal is ready. Now I'm just joining total 7 petals together to make the flower. Now to make center of the flower, I am taking 1 and 1/4 strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Just adding this exactly in the center of the flower. And the super pretty flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more small flowers, and for this I have used 1/4 strip of red color instead of half. So this is done. Now I'm starting with making leaf. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark green color, making one leaf shape. I am joining total 3 petals to create one leaf. Similarly, we need total 6 leaves, and also I have prepared some scrolls using same green color combination. Then taking back my calendar, I have already attached my January month inside this clip. Now just to settle the base color, I am here adding white color doily in the base, so that when we will add our green and red color quilling designs on this, it will look more nice. So I am just adding my all the quilling designs here. Like this. Then randomly here and there I am adding some golden color half pearls. And to decorate my pocket, here I am adding beautiful daisy border using white color cardstock. And then tucking my remaining monthly panels inside the pocket. Very easy to store, and you can simply stand it on your desk. Now it's time to add the ear. So here I am adding 1 centimeter circles in yellow color, and I have written 2023 on this using black color marker. And on backside of each circle I have added double-sided foam tape squares to give little dimension. and this is done. Isn't it looking very attractive and beautiful? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.